10 English words for new technologies. Artificial intelligence, the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn. Blockchain, a decentralized digital ledger used to record transactions across many computers. Cryptocurrency, a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security and operates independently of a central bank. Augmented reality, an enhanced version of reality created by superimposing digital information on the real world. Virtual reality, a simulated experience that can be similar to or completely different from the real world, often using headsets. Internet of Things, a network of physical objects or things embedded with sensors and connected to the internet. 3D printing, a process of making three-dimensional solid objects from a digital file, layer by layer. Quantum computing, a type of computing that takes advantage of quantum states to perform operations much more quickly than traditional computers.